This gentleman, Tony Timpa, 32-year-old, white, college-educated executive. One day in August 2016, he called the Dallas police to ask for help. When 5 Dallas officers arrived, they handcuffed Timpa behind his back, zip-tied his feet. One officer put his knee and body weight on Timpa's back for more than 30 minutes, cracking jokes until Timpa died. And Tony Timpa died in the same manner as George Floyd. As of publication, a petition requesting justice for Tony Timpa has received less than 16,000 signatures. A similar petition for George Floyd gained roughly 20 million. Floyd family reached a $27 settlement with the city of Minneapolis. The officer in Floyd's case was found guilty of second-degree unintentional murder and was sentenced to 20.5 years. In Timpa's case, no officer was found guilty for Timpa's death, and the officer all returned to active duty. Timpa's family is still fighting their case in seeking civil damage in district court since the death in 2016 till now.